Hey there, it's Ben from Pattern Profits bringing you the weekend update and weekly watch list for the week of September 5th. First, going to take a look at IWO. Price trying to hold that anchored VWAP from off of the June low. You can see that the last couple of sessions, that area acted as support, 50-65 cloud right there, but that area acting as resistance. So want to see if indeed this anchored VWAP can hold as support, and we can see small cap growth move back this week with a bounce to the upside. Below this level, 217.34. That prior pivot, not much between there and the prior lows, 199.13 and 192.88 to the downside. To the upside, you have 227.68 as that pivot there. That capped Friday's action to the penny. And then you've got a couple of anchored VWAPs, especially this one off of the swing high, as well as 1020 cloud year to date anchored VWAP, that red line there to the upside. So if this area can hold plenty of levels above as potential resistance, getting right into our watch list, going to take a look at Denbury. This one has shaped up nice here, came back in, retested 1020 cloud. Looked like it was trying to bounce Friday, but couldn't get back above that anchored VWAP from off of the high, 84.62. The level I'm watching to the downside if it does come in further, as well as this anchored VWAP from off of the gap. But ideally want to see this push back above 1020 cloud, back above that anchored VWAP from off of the high, and then take out that high at 93.95 above. Again, that's DEN. Also going to take a look at CRK in the group, which is now setting up cup, putting in the handle now. I like how this is in a little bit of an anchored VWAP pinch off of this prior swing low here. Had a nice run, caught it coming through that pivot at 16.95. I'm still long half a position from that level. 21.18 though, that pivot above. So I'd like to see it push back above that anchored VWAP from off of the high, then take out 21.18. Do want to be aware of 22.11. That's that prior high on the left side. So want to make sure when we push through 21.18, take out that 22.11 as well, if and when we do. 1020 cloud there as well. You're right into that. So this is the area that I like to see it make the turn. Again, that's Comstock Resources, CRK, FLNG. In this group, not looking bad at all. 33.36 was that prior pivot here, that level holding. Want to see if it can push back above anchored VWAP from off of the high and back above 1020 cloud while this level holds. If this breaks lower, 50-65 test looks like maybe next to the downside. You have volume shell point of control a little bit below there too, but the group as a whole, oil and gas transports, looking good. So want to see if this can make the turn here, get back above that anchored VWAP from off of the high, back above 1020 cloud. And that 33.36 level becomes important. Do have a few other shippers. TRMD setting up a flag. 1020 cloud, it's kind of right into that area now. Anchored VWAP from off of the high, what I'd be looking for it to push through and then take out that descending trend line above. Volume easing up as this is pulled back. Then want to see it take out that high at 21.84 right there, as that's flagging, needs to come on out of there. Same group, TNP, another one, flag in a little bit of a VWAP pinch there, just starting to hint at coming out of that pinch on Friday. So want to see continuation upside there. You had the inside day on Thursday, came out to the upside, but didn't really push very far above that anchored VWAP. So want to see upside continuation and then take out that prior high at 16.48. We have seen it do that before and had a nice run. So looking for that action to the upside. Also going to take a look, oil and gas, a lot of energy related names. That's kind of the theme early next week. This is HF Sinclair Corp, DINO. Cup putting in the handle, just pushed back above anchored VWAP from off of the high, that recent swing high. You're into 1020 cloud there. So looking for upside continuation there, 56.30, that pivot above. I could take this on any upside continuation there, benched against the anchored VWAP, trailed with 10 portion of 1020 cloud on strength. Safer entry probably on big volume through 56.30. Again, that's DINO. Also TALO in the group. Talus Energy, 21.99, the cheat pivot. You see that's already back above anchored VWAP from off of the swing there. Inside day here on Thursday. Nice move coming out to the upside on Friday. Back above 1020 cloud. So finishing off the handle there. Want to see that push through 21.99, 25.49, the prior high on the left side to be aware of. Outside of oil and gas, taking a look at RYTM in biotech. And this one has flagged a couple times. Nice moves, had a breakout here too, then consolidated, had another really nice day on Thursday. Looked like it was ready to go, but hasn't taken out 27.29 yet. Came back in a little bit on Friday. Friday's high was 26.49. So looking for that breakout into new highs through 27.29. If it comes in a little bit further, watch that anchor VWAP off of the high and 1020 cloud there to act as support. Again, that's RYTM. MMYT, Make My Trip Limited. Got to zoom out a little bit to see this one. Cup with handle pattern. Here's your big cup putting in the handle. Now we're going to focus more on what's going on within that handle. Pulled back into 1020 cloud, found support there at the 20 portion, now making the turn back above anchored VWAP from off of that swing high. Tried to go a couple times, but couldn't take out that 34.43 pivot. Now, good day on Friday and a very weak tape. Looks like it may give 34.43 another shot. Group is not that strong, so this one kind of doing its own thing. I would definitely want to see big volume as it comes through 34.43. Again, that's MMYT. Also going to take a look at Bolero Corp, BOWL, Bowl. And this one sets up a little bit of a kind of sloppy on the cup there. But it's starting to settle down a little bit within the handle. Anchored VWAP from off of this swing high, trying to push through there. And that's kind of acting as resistance here while you're getting support from 50.65 cloud below. 1020 cloud is right there too. So just looking for that to make the turn, get back above anchored VWAP from off of the swing high and out of this little bit of a pinch. You have the standard pivot, lots of eyes going to be up here at 12.99, but I think there's an early entry opportunity here on strength and benched against anchored VWAP as it comes through there, especially with 1020 cloud right below. On strength can then trail it with 1020 cloud. So still some work to do here, but one I'm keeping on the radar. This to me, especially on this volume, looks like a shakeout, then volume really eased up over the last few sessions. So if that can push out of there, back above that anchored VWAP on good volume, gives an early entry opportunity ahead of 12.99 above. That's all I have into the week ahead. Hope you have a great trading week, and I will see you over on FinTwit.